Oh, hi guys. I wasn't looking at this. I wasn't looking at that. No. Okay. We won't be listening to songs. We will be trying not trying to laugh, but looking at pictures you won't respect. I don't know how to spell that, so search pictures that you don't respect. So, look. Search pictures. You had one job on Google. Okay. So yeah, you had one job. What the? Pause that. No. Go back to that. Go back. Adidas, Nikes. What? You had one freaking job. I know, I'm copying, isn't it? But you had one freaking job. And you didn't do that correctly? What the heck? Dude. I see that. There's an opening thing. Oh! They put the thing on that. So stupid. You had one freaking job and you don't want to do it correctly? Dumb. Okay? Okay? I like this music though. But what the? It looks like he has 3 eyes. Hey, Shelly, do you have 3 eyes now? Do you have 3 freaking eyes now? One without the color and all that? Need even a new eye. I'm gonna get back to my gaming video soon. What the? What? No, get back to that. No, pause that. What? So you're supposed to, you're driving through the road. I'm in the car. You're in the car. You're like driving on the highway, and then you turn, and then you see this, and then you turn, and then you crash. And so you have to go in wigwags. And then you go straight again, then turn. Okay. You have one job. Hey, Bobby's like, hey, you said this side is number 2. You said this side was number 2. Let's move it. Ugh. Shoot, I dropped it. back up. Okay. Make sure it's nail it. Boom! 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 Drop the nail. No! No! Pick that up. Nails. Boom! 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 Now let's get the other one. Boom! 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 The heck, dude? It's weird. Hold on. Let's go back. No. And just you guys can read. I'm not reading it. Hold on. Made in China. It's not the China flag. Stupid. And I think everything is made in China, so you don't have to say that. That'll take me a little while. Yep, it did take me a little while. Oh! What the heck, dude? If you're going like, oh, you're like going down the stairs. Oh, my arm! It's not really you have to go. Oh, ease, squeeze. Fire. Stop. What the? Big grapes. Oh, dummy. Why don't buy stuff at the? Oh, they just moved that one. Oh, you can't get that out. What? Oh, we're figuring that out. Yeah. Doesn't float in water, but it's waterproof. Oh, they're gonna be like, oh, see that arrow? Oh, someone doesn't know their right and left. I don't know either. So don't judge me. Don't judge me. Dumb. Oh, not true. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. These are getting boring. Okay? I'm gonna end the video here. What's wrong with this? Oh, they're changing. But I'm gonna end the video here. And I hope you had a great time watching this video and having fun watching this video, right? This video right here. And have a great time and have fun. Okay? Hope you had a great time. I'm gonna go put some music in this background.